Why do I need to know this? Where do we use this? What is it needed for? Well, the short answer is obviously in module frameworks or study guides. Stellenbosch University Form A and Bs, which we will not go into a lot of detail now, but every module at Stellenbosch University must have a Form B that contains the module information, in other words, the outcomes of that module. You might have heard about writing SMART outcomes or SMART objectives. This could be useful when writing learning outcomes, and it simply means that when we write outcomes, they must be specific, not fuzzy. They must be measurable. In other words, you must be able to assess if the student actually reached that outcome. It must be attainable given the infrastructure and the logistics. It must be relevant, so it must be linked to the aim of the program. And of course, it must be feasible in terms of time, given a semester and a module. Okay, let's recap, just in case you've missed something. Remember, it is important to tell your students in your learning outcomes what they will be expected to do to demonstrate their understanding. In other words, to show that they have achieved this outcome. If the outcome involves understanding, perhaps they will have to outline or explain or describe or apply what they've learned in a new context. If the outcome involves critical or creative thinking, perhaps they will have to synthesize, evaluate, or extend what they've learned. Avoid vague terms such as know or appreciate or understand. Ensure that your learning outcomes focus not on what you as the lecturer will do, but on what students will be able to do at the end of the module. Remember, saying something like students will be exposed to is not about student outcome.